I just decided that I'm going to invest in some new companies. And I thought, what if I pick 10 stocks, but I don't spend all that much time and I just hand off a little bit of that work over to the LLMs, otherwise known as the AI assistants. And I ask them some questions and, I just say, hey, here's a prompt for you. Go out and find me some stuff. So that's what I did. And I'm here to tell you that I just made a video about all that and I uploaded it to my new Patreon page because people have said, hey, Jeff, do you have a Patreon? So I finally made one and it's patreon.com/Animal Donut. You come by, you join, you become a member, and then you get my videos as soon as they come out with some pretty cool new stuff. If you are a subscriber to this YouTube channel, I don't want you to feel like you're missing out, and you won't. And the reason for that is if you join Patreon as a member, you'll get early access to this video. But if you don't, no big deal. I will release the video here on YouTube as well. It will just take a little while. I'm just going to have a little time pass between putting it on Patreon for my members there and putting it on YouTube. But I know you guys are curious. I would be too. So I am going to tell you all 10 stocks that made it into the portfolio, but with a twist. I have taken the ticker symbols and I have mixed them up. So you get all the letters in the symbols for each stock. Here's the first one that I bought. Here are the letters. It's a TEAN. That is the first stock. That's the very first stock I bought. All right, let's go on to the very next one. That was like a boomerang. I threw that away and it just came right back to the table. Okay, that one didn't. All right, the next one, EITL. Those are the letters in the symbol of another stock that I bought. And that one, again, you will have to wait on if you're here on YouTube, but that's okay. All right. The next one is NIMG. Why? Because we like you. All right. This is actually one that I talked about on a video like last week. So if you've been watching the videos that I've been making here on YouTube, you will recognize those letters in one of the ticker symbols that I talked about. All right. Here is another one. OWN. Those are the letters in the symbol of a stock that I just bought. All right, we are probably at the halfway mark. WRPM. That's right. That is a stock that I bought and now own. BTKB. That is another one of the stocks in this portfolio. And I got to tell you what's really crazy about this is when I bought these, the stock market was down a lot. And as anybody knows who's buying stocks, you want them to be cheap, right? But what was amazing about this situation, is they were all negative. All. And you think like, it's just counterintuitive, right? You want your stocks to be green, but the one day I don't want my stocks to be green is the day I'm buying them. And I bought all 10 stocks. So that was a good day, Friday. Unless, of course, they all go down again next week. EHI. Oh yeah, put that in your pipe and smoke it. I don't know if you're going to guess which one this is, but that is one of the stocks that made it into this portfolio. Oh, we're at the penultimate. No, actually, we've got a couple to go. Here we go. VEG. Veg. Any guesses? Does anybody out there know? Do you know what I got? All right. That's the 7th stock. No, that's the 8th. That was the 8th. For those of you counting at home. All right. TMWH. Those are the letters in the ticker symbol of the 9th stock that I bought just the day before yesterday. I now own this stock, only you'll have to rearrange the letters to find out what it is. And the very last stock, it's coming up, NWPA. What is it? You can join my Patreon. Patreon.com/Animal Donut, or you can just chill out and hang out because I'm going to release this stuff here on YouTube. Thank you for watching this. Guess away, write it in the comments. I'll check. If you guess and you're right, I will give you props and I will say, you got it. You got it. You guessed it right. And if you don't feel like playing the guessing game, I understand. Write something else in the comment section so I'll know you saw this video. You know I love to hear from each and every one of you guys. If you're a subscriber or not, doesn't matter. You could just be passing through. You could just be on your boat, headed down the river, saw the video. Just drop a little, hey, write down your name. Just say, hey, my name is. Or, you know what, I love to know where you guys are. General idea, like what state are you or what country are you in? Just let me know a little bit about yourself or maybe one of your hobbies. So anyways, that's a little bit about you. I'd love to hear it. Thank you so much for spending this time with me right now. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.